Alright, good day everyone, welcome back to my channel. So yeah, as you can see, finally the brand is here. Focal is here. Alright, now I have two famous Focal products that has been in the market for quite some time lah in Malaysia. Okay, now I have the Flax Evo here. Is it Flax or Flux? I don't know how you guys pronounce it. Okay, so let's go to the unboxing. I've already unboxed this. Okay, this is the three-way. This is the three-way set. This is the PS165 F3E. Okay, and this is the PS165 FE. Okay, so there's difference between the two-way and the three-way. Okay, I will show you guys in a while. Okay, first let's do the unboxing of the 165 FE first. Okay, so this is the basket. Alright, this is the woofer. There you go. That's the woofer. That's the terminal ring. Alright, that's the magnet. I believe they're using neodymium magnet. It looks like a neodymium magnet and feels like a neodymium magnet. It's light. Okay, yeah, there you go. Made in France. Okay, and you have the serial number and all that. Fine, whatever. And then you have your tweeter. It's similar with the F3E. Pretty much the same. Okay, so not much to see lah. And you have the crossover network here, which is pretty I mean, it's not that bad, but overall is okay, you know. So there you go. That's the crossover box for the 165 FE. Okay, pretty standard crossover, yeah. So usually it will be 12 dB slope on the component set with two-way, okay, which is okay, which is all right. But for me, I feel you will benefit more if you have a DSP in hand. It's much better to, you know, use an appropriate slopes. Okay, so pretty much that's about this on this one. Okay, as you can see the spec sheet over here. There you go. That's about 70 watt RMS on this one. So this one has 10 watt RMS lower than the F3E. So the F3E supplies about 80 watt RMS. Okay, and you can see the slopes are different if you're using the passive crossover. This is about 18 dB slope, and that's a 12 dB slope. Okay, in my opinion, it doesn't really matter much because, you know, whatever it is, I'm using a DSP. It's been a while I used anything with crossovers. Okay, and of course you have all this tweeter accessory, which is nice to have. Okay, that's the tweeter accessory. All right, pretty much that's it. And you have another one here, and that's the mid-range cover, and you have all these screws and all that. Okay, but once you lift this up, okay, there's a secret compartment underneath. Okay, your crossover is here, and you have all your grills over there. Okay, so now let's have a look at the crossover on the F3E. Okay, so the F3E crossover is here. This was a bit easy to take out. Okay, there you go. You have the crossover. So you can select, I don't think this is selectable crossover. This is a pretty fixed crossover. Yeah, you cannot. I think one of it is 18 dB slope, 12 to 18 dB. So I'm not sure if you can adjust the cross. Oh yes, you can. There's a switch inside there, so you can just move the switch if you want 18 dB or you want 12 dB. Okay, pretty straightforward. Now, in terms of the magnet and size difference between the F3E and the FE. Okay, there you go. You can see, yeah, this thing eats this for breakfast. Okay, now the magnet is bigger, and on the surface they look identical. Okay, they look very much identical. Okay, yeah, and this is something that you all should note if your speakers are high sensitive speakers or low sensitive speakers. Touch the paper cone. If it moves easily, you know, then it indicates, I mean, for me personally, it indicates that the drivers are extremely sensitive. So you don't need much power to sing them loud. Okay, you see how soft this is? See, just with one touch, and this is not even braked in yet, and it's that soft. Okay, in terms of the rear basket, then we can see a huge amount of difference. Okay, the magnet is bigger, the voice coil is bigger too. Okay, and you can see this nice magnet sleeve over here. I believe this is also a neodymium magnet, and the basket is bigger. Yeah, the voice coil pretty much is slightly bigger compared to the FE. Okay, now bigger voice coil, more power handling, and yeah, they can take the abuse if you want it, but of course most of the time most people won't abuse them in, you know, all the time. Once in a while it's fine, but not all the time. Okay, so now for the price, here you go. The Flax Evo PS165 FE, that is a 2A. So the 2A is going to be 2.7 thousand ringgit, 2,700 ringgit. Okay, that is for the FE. Now what about the F3E? F3E, you're looking at 5K. Okay, not exactly 5K, it's 5.99 something, but I just round, sorry, 4.99 something, I just rounded up to 5. Okay, yeah, that's about it, and this is the unboxing video for Focal Flax Evo. I may bring the auditors and, you know, other entry level one just to show you guys the difference. But looking at this quality, man, this is amazing. This is solid. Anyways, I can't wait to test this out in somebody's car. If you guys want, you can have this or you can have that. For me personally, if you have the budget, go with this. Okay, go with the F3E. Get a pillar, done. 10-channel DSP, call it off the day. You'll get a nice amazing sound system in your car. Okay, so see you guys next one.